stop me if you have seen this website before. Dark mode, purple glow, generic sans serif font. Congratulations, you're building the same front end slope as everyone else. Here's the problem. Open your AI editor and type, hey, make a landing page for my notes app, and press enter. The AI gives exactly what you asked for. Generic, boring, zero personality. And if you ship this, you deserve the zero users you're going to get. Now, why does your UI suck? It's one of the two reasons. One is you have zero fundamental knowledge. You don't know what flexbox is. You think padding is something you wear in winter. If that's you, go watch a CSS tutorial and come back. If this another reason that you're lazy, and if you're lazy, honestly, shame on you. Now here's how to fix it. You cannot prompt for what you don't know, okay? Stop asking for modern website. Ask specific style. Learn the terms, tell the AI you want new brutalism, you tell it you want monochromatic theme, give the AI a vocabulary lesson. I'm going to give you three styles, steal them, use them in your prompt, don't say I never gave you anything. Now this is for when your site looks raw. New brutalism works well. It's high contrast color, thick black borders, no blur, no shadows. It looks ugly on purpose, which makes it look expensive. Now, another thing is the bento grid. You have seen this on every Apple promo ever. Everything is a box, everything is organized. A last one, I would say glass morphism. This is risky. If you do it wrong, it looks like Window Vista. If you do it right, it looks clean. So be sure about that. Now, another thing is you can use specific hex codes. Don't say make it blue, say use has 0047 AB with off-white backgrounds, and for the final blow, stop using the default font, import a custom font and your own weird SVGs, and suddenly you did not just generate a UI, you actually designed one.